Okay, so the beauty brand that I work for has just brought out some new lashes, and I actually have not seen them in the flesh. I haven't tried them. I've only heard from the rest of the team that they are like really good. But they just arrived in the mail, so I'm gonna do an unboxing, a real try on. They're supposed to be like amazing for beginners. They're supposed to be really easy to use. They're cluster lashes. I've never used cluster lashes before. So we're gonna put them to the test in a like real first impressions try on. The boxes look so pretty. I love opening work packages because I didn't have to pay for them and it's like free packages. Gives me the same dopamine hit as if I'd just gone and spent heaps of money online shopping and I didn't actually have to. And the lashes look amazing. I'm really excited. So they're pop-on lashes. They're one-step pre-glued lash extension clusters. So that's really exciting. They last 5 to 10 days. So let's give them a try. Come in 5 different styles. I'm going to try Rosy today. They also look like a more natural looking lash, which is more my vibe. So let's try. The instructions simply say to take the lash out and then press it like where your lashes meet your lash line underneath your lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. They do come in different sizes, so you can map your own like look depending on your eye shape. I'm gonna keep it super simple today. I'm just gonna go with like the cat eye, so which is usually like the longer outer corner to smaller inner corner. So let's go. I'm starting with number 12 in the outer corner. I'm just gonna come up really close to the camera because I feel like that's way easier. So you're supposed to apply it right there at the end of your lash line meets your waterline. So that's one piece. This is piece 2. Same size. I've gone 12 again. Push it in like that. Oh my god, it looks so cute already. Okay, that's that one. I'm gonna go one more 12. My eyes are a little bit bigger than I thought. And one right there like that. Sorry, this is so up close and personal, it's not even funny. Okay, and then now I'm gonna switch to a size 10. I love these. These are so good. So this is the 10 and I'm just gonna map it just like that. Press, 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 press. So good. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna go one more and I'm gonna go the 8. Press her in there. Okay. I'm dead. I love. They were literally so easy. But I'm so into that. Let's do the other eye really quickly. Same mapping on this side. 12. Last one. I literally am obsessed. It looks like lash extensions. I love when my work brings out really good products. Like all of their products are good, but the ones that I especially love, I'm like, they just got it right with this one.